The surface temperature in the Atlantic Ocean south of Greenland has now been identified to be a signature of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation. And it has long been a mystery why that blob of water south of Greenland is becoming colder while we have global warming and even much more global warming in the Arctic areas. And this cooling has led us to analyze the surface temperatures from that area for as long as it's been observed by ship routes going back to the 19th century. And by analyzing that, we can project into the future that a collapse of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation is very close.